Have you ever wondered if your heart does more than just pump blood? A fascinating question, isn't it? From the dawn of civilization, humans have been intrigued by the heart's role beyond its basic physiological function. We've used it as a symbol for our deepest emotions, our most profound passions. This is not mere poetic license. Today we're discovering that our ancestors might have been onto something. The heart, far from being a simple blood pump, might also act as a center of intelligence and emotions. This idea, once the domain of poets and philosophers, is now being explored by scientists. They are uncovering evidence that suggests the heart might have its own brain, its own intricate network of neurons, communicating emotional and sensory information to our actual brain. Intriguing, isn't it? As we set out on this journey, let's prepare to delve deeper into the mysteries of the heart. Let's probe deeper into this fascinating subject. From the dawn of civilization, the heart has been seen as more than a mere organ. It has been revered, respected, and represented in countless ways, taking center stage as the epicenter of the soul and consciousness. This perception extends beyond the boundaries of geography and time, threading its way through the tapestry of human history. In ancient Egypt, the heart, or Ib as they called it, was considered the key to the afterlife. It was the only organ left untouched during mummification, as they believed it held the individual's mind and spirit. The heart was weighed against the feather of Ma'at, the goddess of truth, to judge the soul's worthiness for the eternal journey. The ancient Greeks, too, held the heart in high esteem. Aristotle, the renowned philosopher, proclaimed the heart as the seat of intelligence, dismissing the brain as a mere cooling organ. He believed that it was the heart that harbored the human spirit and emotions. In the East, the heart was no less significant. Chinese philosophy of Xin, meaning heart-mind, emphasized the heart as the center of human consciousness and thought. Similarly, in Hindu philosophy, the heart is often depicted as the abode of the divine, the sacred space where the soul resides. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and we find the heart symbolized in the arts and literature as the locus of love and passion. The now universally recognized heart shape, albeit anatomically incorrect, became synonymous with feelings of affection and romantic love. These ancient intuitions are now finding resonance in modern science. As we deepen our understanding of the heart's role in our body and mind, we are beginning to appreciate the wisdom of our ancestors. The heart, it seems, is not just a mechanical pump, but a sophisticated organ with its own kind of intelligence, intricately woven into the fabric of our emotional and conscious life. Scene script. Science has unveiled the heart's secret, a neural network of around 40,000 specialized neurons. Now that's a number to ponder. 40,000 neurons, called intrinsic cardiac sensory neurons, reside within our hearts. These are not just basic cells, but neurons, akin to those found in our brains. They have the capacity to process information, learn from experiences, and even store memories. These neurons form a complex network, a heart-brain, if you will, that enables the heart to act independently of the brain in certain scenarios. They help the heart sense, feel, and react to the world around us. Intriguing, isn't it? What's even more fascinating is how these neurons facilitate a two-way communication between the heart and the brain. They are responsible for transmitting a constant stream of sensory information from the heart to the brain. This information can be about blood pressure, heart rate, or even about the chemicals flowing through the heart. But it doesn't stop there. These neurons also carry emotional information to our brain. The heart, through these neurons, communicates our deepest feelings, our emotional state, to our brain. It's no wonder we often say, "I feel it in my heart." These heart neurons, as it turns out, might be the reason behind the physical sensations we feel during emotional moments. The fluttering butterflies when we're nervous, the heavy feeling when we're sad, the pounding when we're excited. All these could be the heart's way of expressing our emotions, facilitated by these intrinsic cardiac sensory neurons. This discovery of the heart's neural network has revolutionized our understanding of the heart. It's not just a biological pump. It's a hub of intelligence and emotions, It's a center of consciousness, constantly communicating and interacting with our mind. These discoveries have deepened our understanding of the heart's connection with emotions. The heart, it seems, is a lot more than just a vital organ. It's an intelligent entity, capable of feeling, learning, and remembering, constantly communicating with our brains to help us navigate our emotional world. The heart and the brain are in a constant conversation, each influencing the other. In this intricate dance of communication, the heart isn't merely a follower, passively receiving orders from the brain to beat faster or slower. Rather, it's an active participant sending signals that can affect how the brain processes emotions and experiences. Picture it as a harmonious dialogue, a back-and-forth exchange of information where each participant plays a pivotal role. Now let's delve deeper into the practice of heart coherence. This technique is about creating a state of physiological coherence, where the heart, mind, and emotions are operating in sync. It's like tuning an orchestra, where each instrument plays its part, but together they create a symphony. When the heart's rhythm aligns with the breathing rhythm, a state of coherence is achieved. This synchronization can have profound effects on our emotional and mental state. Imagine a calm lake, its surface smooth and undisturbed. That's your mind and body in a state of coherence. It's a state of balance where stress is reduced, cognitive function is enhanced, and emotional recovery is quicker. Studies have shown that achieving heart coherence can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety, improvement in cognitive functions, and even an enhancement in emotional recovery. It's like hitting a reset button, bringing our mental and emotional state back to a harmonious baseline. This dialogue between the heart and the brain isn't just a fascinating aspect of our physiology. It's also a testament to the heart's intelligence, its ability to influence our emotions, our perceptions, and our overall well-being. So when we say, listen to your heart, it's not just a poetic phrase. It's a call to acknowledge this innate wisdom, this intelligence that resides within our very own hearts. It's about understanding that our heart is more than a simple pump. It's an intelligent organ, a center of emotional processing in constant dialogue with our brain. This heart-brain harmony is crucial for our overall well-being. It's a reminder that our heart isn't just a vital organ, but a key player in our emotional and mental health. The heart, far from being just a vital organ, is also a center of intelligence and emotion. These are not just words of poetry or sentiment, but are rooted in the fascinating science of the heart's intelligence. We've journeyed through the heart's rich history, its symbolism as the epicenter of the soul, and the astonishing discovery of its very own neural network. As we've seen, the heart is not just a mechanical pump, but an entity with its own form of intelligence. In fact, it's a sophisticated system capable of learning, storing memories, and communicating with the brain. This communication is not a one-way street, but a symbiotic, harmonious dialogue between the heart and the mind. It's through this dialogue that our emotions, feelings, and thoughts are intertwined. This interplay might explain why we often feel emotions in our hearts. The butterflies fluttering in our chest when we're excited, the heavy weight when we're mourning, or that warm glow when we're filled with love. Perhaps it's this intricate connection that's behind the wisdom of phrases like, "Follow your heart," and "Trust what you feel." They're not just romantic notions, but expressions that acknowledge the heart's role in our emotional and cognitive experiences. It's a recognition that our hearts can guide us, providing a compass to navigate our emotional landscapes. Scientific studies have further validated this connection. Practices like heart coherence, which harmonize the heart's rhythm with our breathing, have shown to improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and enhance emotional recovery. It's as if, by tuning into our heart, we can tap into a reservoir of wisdom and inner peace. The intelligence of the heart is not an abstract concept, but a tangible reality, an essential part of our human experience. It's a reminder that our emotions are not just in our heads, but are deeply rooted in our bodies, particularly in our hearts. So when we speak of listening to our hearts, it's not just a metaphorical phrase, but a call to attune ourselves to this profound intelligence within us. It's about being open to the wisdom of our hearts, trusting its guidance, and acknowledging its role in shaping our emotions and thoughts. The heart's intelligence is a testament to the marvels of the human body, a testament to our capacity for emotion, empathy, and deep connections. It's a testament to the beauty of being human. So the next time you feel something in your heart, remember, it's not just metaphorical, it's science. It's a call to trust the intelligence of your heart, to honor its wisdom and let it guide you. For within your heart lies not just a vital organ, but a center of intelligence, a center of emotion, a center of being.